Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy new feature on WhatsApp web that makes searching within chats faster and easier using keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. You can do this by navigating to web.whatsapp.com in your browser and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you've logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the screen. Next, select the chat you want to search in. Simply click on the conversation from the list on the left-hand side of the screen to open it. Now, here comes the exciting part. The shortcut. To search within this chat, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus F on your keyboard. This combination activates the search function specifically for the chat you're currently viewing. Once you press these keys, a search bar will appear at the top of the chat window. Type in the keyword or phrase you're looking for in that search bar. WhatsApp will instantly highlight all instances of your search term within the chat, making it incredibly easy to locate specific messages or information. And that's it. With just a few simple steps and a powerful shortcut, you can save time and streamline your WhatsApp web experience. Whether you're searching for old messages or trying to find important details quickly, this feature is a game changer for productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.